Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the best emulator to play Delta Executor. As you know, that Delta Executor is an iOS game, and if you want to play it on computer, you have to use Emulator. So I'll show you the best emulator for Delta Executor. What you have to do, open your browser and search BlueStacks. Now, click on the first website. So you have to download BlueStacks. After downloading it, install it. After installing, go to Delta Executor website. Download the Android file of Delta Executor from here. Once the file is downloaded, go to BlueStacks, and then you have to run Delta Executor's Android's file there. And then the Delta Executor will start, and you can play it on BlueStacks easily. So the BlueStacks is the best emulator to play Delta Executor. If you want a detailed video of how to download Delta Executor on PC, you can watch this video. The link is in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.